Hi there, my name is Anish. This is the classic Comandante C40 Mark III and I welcome you to the unboxing and first impression of the Mark IV. Good choice, for sure. Clean finish. Here's a little manual of how to use the grinder and its parts. Some cushioning. Here's a card saying it's 100% authentic Comandante quality, made in Germany. It's a pretty nice looking card. Some accessories like this Comandante sticker. There's another cute little sticker of the grinder over here. Then we have also got an additional grip. Here's the polymer jar, which is the first change from the original Comandante grinder. This is unbreakable clear jar with the logo also here, and of course the tinted jar. Seems that this they have chosen to keep the classy glass and not the polymer. This is a polymer, so two separate jars. This is the new tinted crank. Pretty good with a black knob, and the main thing, the grinder. Now let's get straight into it. What's the difference between the two? From the outside it's completely same, just that the materials have changed. So for this specific color there's powder coating, and for this one it's wooden finish. But anyways, if you get this color in this grinder, it will be the same. So the body is the same, but there's a difference in the material of the jars. So the classic Mark III comes with a glass jar, clear as well as tinted, and the Mark IV comes with a polymer jar which is unbreakable and a tinted jar which is made out of glass. Let's talk about the crank. It's completely same, just for these particular colors, this one is coming with a wooden knob and this is a black colored wooden knob. Also the tint here is transparent and this one is a dark color. Talking about the internal framing of the grinder, the Mark III has a flat frame which got a lot of complaints, like the beans getting stuck in this depression, which has been improved in the Mark IV, which has got a depression like this, and it is designed in a way that no beans can be stuck on this part of the grinder. The burrs also seem to be pretty same, nitro blade made in Germany. Now let's open it up. Looks wise, it is completely the same grinder from the outside. Even the burrs of the grinders are pretty similar. There might be some engineering improvements in the burrs that we will only get to know after a few months of using it. Just while I was assembling the grinder back in place, I realized that the crank for the Mark IV has a magnetic fitting, which is definitely a thoughtful addition to the grinder. This new grinder will be out there in the market very soon. It will take some time, but it will take no time to click on the subscribe button below. This will keep you posted about my upcoming videos. And if you like the video, make sure you click on the like button, comment what you feel about the video and the grinders also, and don't forget to share it with your friends who would like the video too. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day.